how to find your wallet address with Trust Wallet. So if you want to find your wallet address with Trust Wallet, depends upon which wallet address you're trying to find. You need your wallet address whenever you're trying to transfer crypto to Trust Wallet. Now if it is for a certain crypto like Bitcoin, you need to have the Bitcoin wallet address. If it is for Litecoin, you need to have the Litecoin wallet address. So once you open the Trust Wallet app, simply go to receive over here, and once you go to receive, now depending upon which wallet address you want, let's say you want for Bitcoin, you can tap on Bitcoin and this is your Bitcoin wallet address. So you can copy this and send it to the person who's trying to send crypto to you on your Bitcoin address. Or if it's Ethereum, this is the Ethereum wallet address that you can use to receive the amount. And this is how you can find your wallet address with Trust Wallet. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.